Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crypto and Coffee. Today is a good day to be in the cryptocurrency markets. I'm going to go over a couple of trades that I am in right now, as well as a short-term outlook for the next 24 to 48 hours, as well as the next couple of weeks. So let's just hop right into these charts today, guys. As time is of the essence, and the charts are popping off right now. So first off, I just want to show you my trade here on BTC USD. Of course, I'm a long-term hodler. I am an investor in this, but I also trade on leverage as well for BTC USD as well as ETH USD Ethereum. And just so I can quickly break down my analysis for you guys so you can kind of get an understanding of why we got into this trade, how we got into this trade, and how we're going to get out. What I ended up seeing was, okay, right, the huge blow off top here. We're on the 4 hour on BTC. When it did its whole huge bull run, it topped out right in here about 58,000, and then it came crashing back down. I saw that it created a bunch of falling wedges here and continued to bottom out, and then I started noticing some sort of a head and shoulders pattern here. I know I got a lot going on. It's a lot of visuals to look at. However, just know overall, I was looking for, a strong bullish indicator to come in. And what that happened to be was a 4 hour break above this neckline of this head and shoulder. So this would be like the head area. Here's the shoulders, right? And oh, Jesus. My apologies, guys. But right, so this is that neckline, also a key support level that became a key resistance level, right? Broke through this floor, came up on top, created support, and then flew up, right? Came down here, flew through it, came back up, resistance. So this was all, we already knew this was a key level right here. I just so happened to take this trade. So what we were looking for was a 4 hour close above the 51K level. I ended up getting in there, right at about 51K, a little bit above, I think 51.1. Regardless, we are up right now about halfway to our TP. What I'm looking for is it to break to all-time highs here. This alert that you see here about 56,500. I will be taking profits, about 50% of my position or 75% of my position here at that 56,500 level, just because even levels are, it's a psychological number. So if 60,000 is everyone's TP, I'm going to want to go ahead and secure my bag just a little bit sooner. But as you can see here on this trade with zero leverage, of course, I'm leveraged out. It is about 8%, so with 10x leverage, that's about 80% on your money, which is right about where I'm at right now. That's beautiful, right? It was a simple trade as well. All we were looking for was a 4 hour close above this resistance level, which is right in there on this little candle here. That's about right where I got in, and we've been riding into profits ever since. Never be afraid to take profits, guys. Anytime you're taking profits into Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's just you might take a little bit off the table from your leveraged amount, but at the same time, you're still converting that into BTC, which is going to continue to grow exponentially. So where I see this in the next 12 hours max is for it to absolutely blow through this all-time high. We've already, found support multiple times here, created higher highs and higher lows since this last correction of about 25-30%, if I remember correctly, which remember is healthy for the coin. Yeah, 25%, right on target there. So we could see a push up here up into the $61,000 mark, and then another, nice, a good solid push up, breakout to all-time highs, come back down for a good retest. And then, guys, we could see this potentially hitting $72,000 to $74,000 within the next couple weeks or so, or it could happen very, very quickly. As you know, Bitcoin waits for no one. It just goes when it wants to go. I want to keep this video relatively short today, so let's hop over to our Ethereum trade as well. I am as well leveraged on this on BitBuy rather. I've already secured one TP on ETH, but as you can see here, it's generally the same thing. It was moving with that same motion of the ocean, right? So this key level of resistance that was previous support way over there. Okay, got me there. Same general thing. I was looking for a 4-hour close above this key level of support and resistance at the top of this neckline of the head and shoulders pattern, right? I definitely got that big old 4-hour candle here close. And I ended up getting in right basically where that green is, right at about 1650-ish. And now we've been riding that up ever since. And I actually, about 5 minutes ago, just secured profits on that, which is about 13% unleveraged, right? So that is a beautiful, beautiful trade right there. I am also expecting ETH to break to all-time highs here very soon. Honestly, within the next 12 hours, we should see an all-time high on ETH. I will be securing my leveraged position slightly before that all-time high. As you can see, I got my triggers right around here. I just took profits, so we will see how high we can go here. And same kind of deal. We should see that $2,100, $2,200 ETH within the next 12-ish hours, 12 to 48. Could be a couple days as well if we hit some resistance, come back, give us a little bit of a pullback here. We could potentially, ooh, a little laggy on this camera, guys. Could potentially have, all-time highs. Excuse me. Come up to all-time highs in this general area. Pull back, touch this general trend here, still creating a higher high than this, and then continuing up north towards that $2,500 to $3,000 Ethereum coin. Guys, it is a great time to be in the cryptocurrency market. If you want more content like this, please hit that like and subscribe button. Feel free to drop your favorite altcoins in the comments. I'm also a huge Cardano fan, more than just a fan, an investor as well, and I will look to be trading that on leverage here soon. Guys, if you have any questions, concerns, or just recommendations for further videos, please reach out. I'm going to be happy to be doing this pretty much every day, bringing you guys the most relevant and up-to-date cryptocurrency news. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you next time. Ciao.